former CBI director, former governor of Nagaland and Manipur, and in fact former DGP of Himachal Pradesh Police has passed away last evening. In fact, this is a case of suicide. To know more about the investigation, we are joining with us Shimla SP Mohit Chawla. Sir, what exactly happened? Can you please unfold the entire incident? What exactly happened last evening?
It's a very hard day for Himachal Police to believe such a strong personality, being a mentor to all of us and fatherly figure for the Himachal Pradesh Police, served as the various decorations, and last was the governor charge. And you see the feeling of Himachal Police, we're feeling breathless. We have lost one of our 4 founders. He's a strong man, but of late we could recover the suicide note, and there were some depressive tendencies, and which aggravated this during the lockdown when he was in Mumbai. Came back to Shimla, started again with his daily course and activities. Unfortunately, what destiny had its own role to play.
What exactly he mentioned in his suicide note?
He says that he's going to embark on a new journey. His soul has to embark on a new journey after the life. And he says that donate my organs and call the police, give it for medical experimentations, and no weeping, no crying, no rituals, and God bless you all. This is what he has mentioned.
When police inspected the spot, what exactly, how the police spotted the body and what exactly happened, how the entire suicide happened?
Around 7:30, 7:25, it was reported to the local SHO. We visited the spot. The body was in hanging position, and in the evening we requested the FSL team to get the evidences. Photography was strictly done by the own photographer, by the police photographer. As per the protocol in the checklist, we ensured that the investigation should be fair and as per the given SOP.
Any foul play you have suspected in your investigation, or any forcible entry in the room?
No, absolutely no. He was in his attic. Only family members were there down floor, and when they tried to call him, he was not responding. It was break off by his own son only.
So the Himachal Pradesh police in fact investigated the entire spot and found a suicide note last evening at the house of Ashwini Kumar, and in fact they stated that it is the case of suicide, and further investigation is still on. Just because post-mortem report, they have collected the post-mortem report, neither the family members alleged any foul play nor the police found any forcible entry in that room.